On this segment, we're joined by Juan Latores. And Juan, thank you for taking a minute to be with us. You have an interesting business, and you help people to buy a home or refinance. Tell us the name of your business and where you're located.
My business name is First Choice Loan Services. I have an office at 1344 West Hamilton Street. Um, what I do is help people meet their needs. I give them, one-on-one counseling, give them the guidance that they need, and help them actually learn about buying process and how to get refinanced or purchase a home.
And in today's day, it is learning, isn't it? Because today's buyers are maybe faced with things that wasn't the way it was 20 years ago. There are situations, credit scores aren't always what they ought to be. Obviously, if your credit score is great, you can really help them. But if it's not perfect or it's less than perfect, what do you do to help someone like that?
Perfect. We have many opportunities, many options. I counsel a lot of people. I help bring up their scores to get a better rate. I could help them, guide them through the whole process, to show them how important it is to keep their credit and where they steered wrong or where they need help, and just give them advice to fine-tune things to help them either buy a home or get them ready to buy a home or refinance their mortgage. So we have a lot of different products to help people out.
Well, that's an excellent point, because just because someone says, okay, now we want to buy a home, doesn't mean they're ready to buy a home. So from what I've learned from you, they should get a hold of you early in the process, because you can help them over a few months to repair their credit and to bring it up to where it has to be to get them the best rates.
Yeah, that's correct. I don't look. There are times I look at people and I just say, okay, you're not ready right now, but let's get you there. And this is the game plan we need to set to get the ball going. And also, I do people as low as 600, get them up to like 620 or 30 credit score. I have people who have the perfect scores up 800 on up or lower. And I help, they each have their own individual needs, and I want to make sure they get the most bang for their money and also get the best deal possible.
Well, you're a very personable guy. You really care about people, and it comes across. You help a lot of people in that regard. So if someone's watching this and they're not sure about their credit score, they're unsure about where they stand, or maybe their credit score is great and they just are looking for the best opportunity and the best rate, that's someone you can help.
Yes, I mean, anyone that has a need or a question, or they have experience with mortgages or no experience, I'm there to help out no matter what. I give honest opinions and tell it like it is, and if they need hand-holding, I'm there 100%, either by texting or a phone call away or coming into my office, or I go to their homes and meet with them one-on-one.
Now, one thing I know about you is you're a man of faith. And how does that play into what you do? I mean, you're always involved in helping community projects, churches, things. Tell us about that for a second.
I feel it's important to give back and help your neighbors and your friends. Um, I am very involved in my church and my kids' schools. Everything my kids do, basically, I'm involved in. I feel it's important to just set an example with the kids. And have your kids participate also, follow your lead, and do help out the community. So I value my faith in the Lord. It's very important to have a faith and to be able to work with others and back. And so I give back more than I receive, but I know it comes around, goes around, and just doing the right thing is all I look to do.
Sowing and reaping. So, Juan, in a final word, we want to wrap this up. What do we want to leave people thinking about when they're thinking about Juan and right here in the Lehigh Valley? What's a final word? What do you want to leave people thinking about?
Whatever your situation is and your needs, I'm here to help out. There's no obligation. I tell people like it is, and I'm here. If it takes a while to help you get to where you need to go, I'm there. I'm just like the opportunity to help you meet your needs and get you where you want to go.